Here we have Lane and Jarrell lining up for the Menchikatsu. Menchikatsu, the famous little spot in Kichijoji where people line up for Menchikatsu. Menchi.
This was that guy's distracted.
Somebody snuck in there?
Yeah.
Come by.
Well, they don't know, and that guy's distracted. Oh,
Lane.
someone else did too.
What the? Oh, she realized it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and now they're getting told. There's a big break in the line, so as to not block traffic. Now they're guiding traffic to come up to the Menchikatsu line.
They're on it.
Menchi. Menchi means mint, as in ground.
Don't do
ground
close up. Should we
Katsu is
Should
cutlet.
we just get one?
Well, you should have known that. All right. One $140 円. Why don't you get one? I'll get one. We'll just share. Or is one enough for all of us?
I think let's just get one.
Okay. Meanwhile, Jarrell is sneaking in some pictures before he gets busted.
Embarrassing.
Before he gets busted, he's gonna sneak in some pictures.
Should we just get one? I think we all just want a bite.
We just want to bite. You got it. Yeah, this probably costs double what you find in another place, but you got it because you gotta get your katsu.
Ooh, the korokke looks good.
Korokke mo aru shi. This is one thing you gotta do. You come to Kichijoji, you
think
line
it's
up for
tax included?
Menchikatsu. Zekomi, with, yes.
With tax?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
Don't drop.
I know, I want to take a picture
I'll take
of
a
it.
picture.
No, I'm
Okay.
taking a picture
here
of it.
is the Menchikatsu. Probably costs double what you pay outside of here, but it's known to be delicious. We're worshiping the katsu. We're worshiping the Menchikatsu.
Can you just hold it and then let me just
Let's-
video, take a picture, and then I'm gonna do the
Pray to it. Pray to it. Okay, bow
Don't do-
to
hang on, don't
bow
do-
to the Menchikatsu.
Here, hold the bag.
Pray to the
Why do you want me to
Menchikatsu.
do this?
Bow to the Menchikatsu,
Don't move
please.
it around so much.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Why are you filming it so? You didn't
Go
you're
ahead
not
and
even
eat it.
eating
Okay,
it.
let's watch Lane eat the first bite. Bow to your sensei.
Don't you drop that. I think it's like $15. We good?
Good.
Okay, bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei. Piping hot. Yes. I wouldn't handle
How do I zoom out?
what do you call it? Sauce on it?
Tonkatsu? Tonkatsu?
Tonkatsu sauce on it.
Oh, yeah.
That is fantastic.